Alright guys, we'll see how many questions I do per video here, but I'm going to do questions number 11, 12, and 15. Maybe it'll be 3 separate videos. I don't want to make the videos too long, so if I can fit them all into one, then I'll try to do that. So let's start with number 11 from the review worksheet that you got today. If you're going to solve for x, the first thing you're going to do is draw a river, and you've already got one of your radicals, or the only radical in this case, by itself. If there was stuff over here with this, I would move it over, but you've already got this radical alone. So you can just square both sides. You can do that. Now, usually what I like to do is rewrite it first so that we understand why that works, because this is really 2x plus 13 to the 1/2 equals x minus 1. So we know that if we raise this side to the second power, then we're going to have an exponent of 1, but whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So on this side, you're left with 2x plus 13. On this side, now you have x minus 1 times x minus 1. And that is something that you're going to have to FOIL. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x, another negative x, and a 1. And then over here we still have 2x plus 13, waiting to see what's going to happen over here. I'm going to combine like terms. So now I have x squared minus 2x plus 1. And I see a quadratic forming. I have an x squared, so I'm going to have a quadratic. I can't double bubble this until this side equals 0. So I'm going to move all of these things over. I'm going to take this 2x from this side, and I'm going to take this 13 from this side. I can do that all at once too if I want to. Now I have x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0, and I hope that it double bubbles, and it does. So I have either x equals negative 2 or x equals 6, but I only know that those work if I plug them back in. So I have to make sure that I check them. So let's check negative 2. That would be negative 2 minus 1 equals the square root of 2 times negative 2 plus 13. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, so we're going to have that over there. And then we have the square root of negative 4 plus 13. So we have negative 3 equals the square root of 9. 3 equals negative 3. Nope. Negative 2 is out. It's extraneous. Now let's try 6. 6 minus 1 equals 2 times 6 plus 13. 5 equals the square root of 12 plus 13. So that's going to be 5 equals the square root of 25. 5 equals 5. That one checks out. So my answer is x equals 6. All right. So that one took a little while. I'll put the others in another video coming up next.